Real Housewives of New Jersey. Teresa Giudice invites friends to hear lawyer James Leonard discuss stressful court case against husband. Teresa Giudice hosted a meeting so her lawyer James Leonard could discuss the court case involving her husband Luis Louie Ruelas with her friends on Sunday's episode of The Real Housewives of New Jersey. The 52-year-old reality star invited her closest friends to the meeting after they became worried over the anxiety she was feeling due to the court case. Teresa before the meeting told Louis' father Luis Sr. about her plan and claimed that she was not trying to bash Margaret Joseph's dad. "I'm laying out facts that I have," Teresa told her father-in-law. Teresa in a confessional provided more background on the case that involved and "I'm so relieved that the court case is finally over, because now I can let everybody know what I've been stressing over for the past 6 months, really the past 3 years. Thankfully, the court ruled in Louis' favor," Teresa said. Teresa told Luis Sr. that they unfortunately gained a lot of information. "This woman I thought was my friend, Dad, she's been hurting us for the past 3 years, Teresa said. She added in a confessional, "I just want everyone to hear that Margaret came up in the court case. I can't wait to give away her secret. They need to know who they're associating with." Luis Sr. shared some wisdom with Teresa, saying, "There's an old saying that the dirt always rises to the top." "I hope so," Teresa said. Teresa invited Jennifer Fessler, Jennifer Aiden, Dolores Catania, Danielle Cabral and Jackie Goldschneider over to listen to her lawyer. Fessler, 53, before the lawyer meeting met up with Margaret at a diner and told her about Teresa's plan. Margaret was outraged that Teresa was throwing an event to talk about her with an attorney, and said it was disgusting that anyone would go there to listen to her attorney bash her. Fessler told Margaret that she agreed with her, apologized for not immediately declining the invitation and sent Teresa a text that read, "I'm sorry, but I'm not going to make it on Thursday. I don't feel like it's right. And I can't do that to Margaret. I hope you understand." Teresa went ahead with the meeting and James introduced himself to her friends. "So, first of all, I have been involved with Teresa and her family for 9 years. I was involved with her in the weeks and months before she went to prison. And I can say that walking her into prison at 3 o'clock in the morning, she was less stressed than she has been for the last several months," James said. James continued that there is someone in Louis' past that makes problems in Louis' existing life, and Aiden, 47, asked if that person is his ex. "We're going to not really talk about her because of legal problems. But that person is real, and that situation exists and existed before Teresa and Louis ever met one another," James said. Jackie told the camera that it was a complicated matter. "The situation is so confusing. I think there are gag orders. I know that he's not even supposed to be saying her name. They were going back and forth. She would sue him. He would sue her. So I think that Jim Leonard is just trying to protect Louis and not bring up certain things that could get Louis in trouble," Jackie said in a confessional. James continued that in 2020 when they got information that Louis' ex was talking to Margaret. In November of 2021, the lawyer that's representing Louis subpoenas Margaret to come to court to answer questions as to whether or not Margaret is in communication with this person. Margaret responds that she got the subpoena and that she wasn't going to come to court. "And I'm going to just get to the pertinent part. The individual that Louis is involved in the litigation with had been speaking with Margaret Josephs, and Josephs told this person she was planning to expose Louis Ruelas and Teresa Giudice based on the information that this person had provided," James said. "So now, guys, I just want to tell you, this will make your *****ing head spin," Teresa interjected. Teresa added, "Louis is not allowed to speak about her. She's not allowed to speak about him. So she gets out her information through Margaret. And Margaret is getting information about Teresa and Louis and is trying to hurt them with it," James said. Dolores, 53, looked on unfazed by their findings. "This is not a jaw-dropping revelation. Teresa has been questioning this for years," Dolores said in a confessional. In a confessional, Teresa reminded viewers about videos of Louis and his ex that surfaced on Instagram and blamed Margaret for their circulation. Teresa asked Jackie, who used to be close to Margaret, if she knew about any of it. "No, Margaret never told me anything about talking to the ex," Jackie said. Aidan pointed out that Margaret didn't like it when she talked to her former best friend Laura to dig up dirt, and called her a hypocrite. Danielle in a confessional wondered how what Margaret allegedly did was any different than Teresa and Aidan talking to her former friend Laura. The doorbell rang and Teresa went to door where a man delivered flowers that looked like they were for a funeral. Teresa was surprised by the flowers and then became angry after seeing a card that read, "Dear Teresa and James, sorry for the loss of your dignity. Love, 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 Marge." No, I don't want it. Refuse it. Tell her to stick it up her ***, Teresa said. Take it off my property. Teresa came back and told the women about what Margaret sent over. This is the most gangster move I've ever seen in my whole existence of life. But keep your **** together, Danielle. ***ing brilliant, Danielle said in a confessional. Teresa told her friends that Margaret got caught and doesn't know what to do. She's ***ing spinning right now, Teresa said. James left and Danielle wondered aloud how they all were going on a trip together that Dolores was organizing to repair friendships.